first word in Azerbaijani contains the word one, but it has nothing to do with one. Master Azerbaijani word of the day presents BİRDÄN. BİRDÄN. BİRDÄN can mean suddenly, all of a sudden, in case, what if. Let's explore some examples to understand better how to use it. Suddenly stop. All of a sudden. In case, what if it rains? Let's see, what do they mean? BİRDÄN dayanmaq. Dayanmaq means to stop, suddenly to stop, stop. BİRDƏN-birə, all of a sudden, out of nowhere. BİRDƏN yağış yağsa. What if, just in case, rains? Now, let's use some of those in some sentences. Ready to explore them? Let's go. Maşın BİRDƏN dayandı. The car suddenly stopped. Dayanmaq, infinitive form, dayandı. See, the mag is to. It dropped and we brought past tense suffix. Dayandı, stopped. BİRDÄN dayandı, suddenly stopped. Maşın, we know this, the car. The next sentence. BİRDƏN yağış yağsa, çətirin var. In case, what if it rains? Do you have an umbrella? Now let's pay attention. Çətirin var. Do you have an umbrella? Did you notice we don't have do words separately? We just emphasize the word we want to ask. We want to ask the existence of umbrella, var. You have, basically, is there. Çətirin var. Çətir, umbrella. You will hear often people call it zontik, which is a Russian loan word. In Azerbaijani, we call it çətir. Çətirin, you, basically, your umbrella is there. BİRDƏN yağış yağsa. Yağsa, what if? Sa is a condition suffix. Yağsa, otursa, dursa, qalsa. Now, BİRDƏN yağış yağsa, çətirin var. In case it rains, what if it rains? Do you have an umbrella? Today's word was BİRDÄN. I gave you some regular examples, but you know what I have? There it is. I hit save and BİRDÄN, the app crashed. Perfect. Now, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to come back every day for a new word, but check masterazerbaijani.com where I post blogs. On top of that now, I have an app, Master Azerbaijani app, available in app stores. It is also coming to Google stores. It's going through closed testing phase. And once closed testing phase is over, you will be able to download on your Android devices too. Stay tuned for more. Cheers.